guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a look with the Morphe 35S Sweet Oasis, and I want to do a look to match my jumper. I haven't pulled this out in a while, and I actually have a collab coming up. But I was thinking while I had this on, like, what palette do I have that has these colors in it? And I have not used this but once. And these came to mind, and these and these and this. So I thought, we'll just do a look with it. So if you want to see what I create, then please, you know what to do. Just keep on watching. So guys, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Belinda. I am a mature, self-taught makeup artist here on YouTube. And here I like to do tutorials. I like to teach techniques, unboxings, reviews, skincare, and things like that. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, then please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you do not miss an upload. Now let's get into this tutorial. So of course, you know, your girl had to start out with her Gerard Clean Canvas Eye Base in Fair, and there will be a link in the description where you can purchase anything Gerard Cosmetics, and if you use my code BelindaMua, all capital, you can save 30% off at checkout, and it will save you some money. So let me pull out. I did get my brushes washed, guys. I had a relaxing Memorial Day weekend. I hope everybody else did. Me and Brian just did Netflix and chill. That's all we did. We ordered a Pizza Hut pizza. We didn't grill out, but we did do that today. Of course, this is his weekend to work, so yeah, we just had a wonderful, relaxing Memorial Day weekend. My granddaughter also turned 7. Little precious piece of pie. Also, all my grandbabies are precious to me. But, you know, the little one, you know, turning 7. So we went to her birthday party on Saturday. And then when we got back, we started Stranger Things, the last season. And then all day Sunday or Monday, I can't remember which days were which, but we just binged Stranger Things. So let me know down in the comments, what did you do on Memorial Day? And have you watched Stranger Things yet? Because if not, totally brings me back to the 80s and makes me want to be in the 80s again, guys. I miss the 80s so bad. Okay. So I think for the inner part of my eye, I do want to bring this aqua color in to the inner part. And for the outer part, I think I'm going to go in between these. I think I'm going to go into this color. Actually, I'm going to go into this color first. Private Villa, and with my Rose and Ben E28, and I'm just going to start bringing this right here as my transition. I've been really busy this week. I am feeling a little bit better. So we got the house cleaned up. I had somebody come over to help, and after they did what they needed to do, then I could do a few things on my own to, you know, get the floor ready to be shampooed once again, because the dogs had been sick, and I just feel so much better now that my space is clean. I can't stand a dirty house. It really seriously makes me ill. Let's see, I'm gonna go into let's see, I think I'm gonna go right here into this Sneak a Kiss. And I'm just going to sweep this up here at the top of that. But yeah, I love having a clean house. And before I got sick, I was not one that could be held down. I was constantly up doing stuff. Brian would say, please just sit down. That's not me, buddy. But with my foot and then all these surgeries, it's really put me slow. I'm a lot slower because I'm not able to get up and do like I was going. Okay, so I'm gonna go over and catch up this other eye, and then we'll be right back. Okay guys, now I am back, and I think I want to go into, I'm gonna start out with Perfect Picture, this one right here. Just lightly dip, and it's very pigmented. And I'm gonna start right here in the outer part of the lid. Not the outer third, but the outer part of the lid. And I'm just going to kind of start putting this in the crease with the tip of this E28. Okay, so now that we are back, I think I am going to go into this color right here, which is Vineyard Escape. This one. And I'm still going to stay with my E28. And we're going to start putting this right here. In the outer third. We'll worry more about blending here in a few minutes. I mean, I'm kind of blending as I go along, but we'll go in and do some fine detail work here in just a few. E13, the Refer 13. And I'm just going to take the edge of that Refer, and I'm going to just kind of blow this out. Instead of adding more pigment, because that is pretty pigmented. Kind of want to keep it with my eye contour. Sigma, guys, this is the absolute best switcher I've ever had. It does not fray my brushes because all of the things are plastic, so it doesn't like really fray your brushes like the foil, not foil, but you know the ones I'm talking about, the little circle tins. So I'm just going to do the stamping. I don't want to bring, I want to have this right here, but I don't want to bring it all the way in because I am going to use that turquoise color. Okay guys, I'm back. And I think I want to go in with this lightest color of turquoise, and it's called Salt Water Dip. And what I want to do is I want to just start putting this, I might have to build it quite a bit, and I'm using a Moda brush, but I have a dress and it's the exact same print, and I don't know why I have never thought about pulling this palette out to try to match that dress. It just came to me today. I was like, oh my gosh, I wonder if that palette would work. And it did. So I'm gonna stop that right there. I should have put that there and the shimmer here, but you know what? The hell with it. I'm just going to not going to take it all the way over, but just kind of be like a, don't worry, I know what I'm doing. And then there is a real pretty white shade in here, and I'm going to spray some makeup mist on an AOA F16, and I'm going to go into Windsurf. And I'm going to put that right here to brighten. The inner corner. And then I think I am going to go into, is there a blue in here? No. But I think this color right here, this dark green, will suffice. I'm just going to take one dip in, but we're going to add a little bit of depth right here, the outer corner. Just gonna tap that. Oh yeah. Brush one of these babies, and I'm just going to lightly disperse this. Not really moving it, but I'm just kind of going right down the middle. So it's not going to be so, see how that just kind of help break that up just a little bit. I like that. Okay, now let me go over and finish the other eye, put on some lashes, and I will be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the finished look. Let me tell you what I did for the lashes. I wore the Blend Bunny Virtues in Wings. Guys, I'm obsessed with these lashes. The Virtue ones, every single pair I need. I love, 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 love her lashes. Okay, and then for the waterline, I did go in with the NYX in white, the jumbo NYX in white, and I did the waterline. For the winged liner, I decided to go with teal to match the inner part. And I went in with the Beauty Creations gel. It's not really a gel. I guess it is a gel liner. It's the, I don't know if it's gel or not, but it's a liner. These are colored liners. I have the white in the inner corner, and I have the teal in the outer corner. And Agua Glow. It's different for me, I know, but you know, I wanted to match my outfit, and I think I did a pretty good job. There wasn't a dark blue in the palette, but I don't know, I feel like it matches pretty good. And also I used the highlight, I used the Light Lock powder in Smoother, and this is a pink one, Mishko Beauty, and I went between these two. I'm really loving this blush palette that I got from Ipsy. And then for my lip today, I am wearing the House of Essex lip liner in Graceful, and the lip lacquer in Love Note. So that is the look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And guys, that is going to be the end of this video. I am going to take some pictures and do a reel, and I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.